up ahead we've got a bit of a storm going on. And then as we come round, ooh, look at that little gap. It's sitting nicely in that gap, and then more storms. East coast of Australia is getting pounded at the moment. We found ourselves a little window, so we're using that to get to Cobbs Harbour, which is, if you can see in the video, that little bit right at the end of the coast. It's about to get punished by a storm. Hopefully we turn up just as it's well. What do you reckon, Christine?
I hope so. We kind of knew today when we went out we were going to get some storm, so let's hit some good weather here.
Looking sexy, look at that! Dun, 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 dun.
Best outfit on the water.
Oh my god.
Our trip up the New South Wales coast tested our resolve. The weather was squally and wet almost every day, but we did get better at fishing. We got a fish. It was a tuna fish, and he was this big. And Ben forgot to take a photo of him. And I haven't been able to catch a fish since. But I'll catch him, just not right now.
When we arrived in Yamba, we knew the dinghy was on its last legs. I made the terrible mistake of deciding to paint it, which meant trimming all the rubber, and I put holes absolutely everywhere.
We thought that she would last, but she hasn't. She's gotten another hole.
I don't want to patch any more holes. It's only going to get worse from here.
Yeah, so we're gonna go look at our new dinghy today. Here she is, the new dinghy. It's an upgrade, isn't it?
We went with a Polycraft tender, which is made out of polyethylene. It's super strong and it's made out of the same stuff that plastic bags are made of. So it's going to last us forever.
Driving Polly, it's her maiden voyage.
Luckily, we made some pretty awesome friends along the way, and they helped us step through a naming ceremony, which is very important.
Celebration!
Time for Pauline to go off. She's going off. Woo! Happy New Year!
You got Kristen on here?
Yeah. Oh, that's enough.
Here we go. A little bit to
The water, yep.
Okay. And then drink some Polly.
Now a bit over the top of your head.
Stop it. After sailing for a month, it was time to take a break from travelling by boat. We journeyed to Mackay to celebrate our mate's beautiful wedding, and it was great.
We came back to the boat feeling refreshed and excited to get going. We had made it just south of Brisbane and were eager to get to the reef, but as boats go, shit just happens.
We can't go forward. Our gearbox has decided that it doesn't want to get into forward gear, and we'll have to get a tow. So, then we'll have to rebuild the gearbox or get a new gearbox.
We anchored in the middle of the channel. There's a channel marker right there.
This is us. Broke the gearbox. Now we're getting towed. We just hit the ground. We're being towed and we have been run aground. We're run aground. Damn. This sucks. We were stuck in a hole for 8 long hours until the tide came in.
We've got Captain Kristen driving. Spreader lights on. And there's our tow. We're going through the Fisherman's Passage of a night time at high tide after the grounding and the gearbox failure, and we've got lovely people up at these houses taking photos and videos of us. Little do they know that we're taking videos of them. So it's a good night for it though.
We made the best of our week while we sourced a new gearbox and had an adapter plate made. The shakedown cruise is proving successful. We were finding the weak points of the boat, but we were so excited to get going to the sunny coast.